Hello students, this is the part 2 of basics of computer. In the part 1, I told you about what is computer, what are its advantages, what are hardwares, what are softwares, and what are the different hardware categories. In this part, we will discuss about each type of hardware category in detail. Now, what is hardware? The physical component of a computer are called hardware. In other words, we can say that the parts of computer that we can see or touch are called hardware, such that mouse, keyboard, scanner, printer, etc. The hardware is categorized into 4 categories. First is input device, second is output device, third is storage device, and fourth is processing device. Now start with first one, input device. What are the input devices? The devices that are used to give the instruction to the computer that are called input device, or the devices that are used to enter data into the computer are called input devices. In the input devices convert the data into digital signal or electronic signal so that computer can understand it. In the input devices there are many input devices that are used. First, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, etc. These are the input devices. Now start. The first one is keyboard. Keyboard is the input device that enters the data into the computer by typing. The keyboard, a standard keyboard contains 104 keys. The keys in the keyboard are categorized into 3 categories. First is special keys. In the special keys there are keys like function keys from F1 to F12, backspace key, caps lock key, space bar key, etc. Are placed in the category of special key. Second one is alphanumeric key. In the alphanumeric key there are keys like alphabet keys from A to Z and number keys from 0 to 9. And the third category is punctuation key. In the punctuation key there are keys for semicolon, colon, full stop, then next brackets, inverted commas, etc. These are the punctuation keys. Now keyboard are of 2 types. First one is wireless, second one is wired. When we come into the category of wired mouse, there are 2 types of plugins. First one is PS2 plugin, second one is USB 2.0 plugin. Both the USB 2.0 plugin is currently used, and in the previous version plugin PS2 was used. Now the second input device is mouse. Okay, the mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device that enters the data by selecting an item, and then click on that item. Okay, mouse are also of 2 types. First one is wired, second one is wireless. Mouse are categorized into 3 categories: 2-button mouse, 1 scroll bar mouse, and 3-button mouse. Now move to the next category, that is joystick. The joystick is also a pointing device. It has a gear which can move left, right, up, down. This device is generally used for playing games. Now another input device is barcode reader. The barcode reader is an input device that reads the parallel lines placed across each product, each good. In these lines contains a code. That code is called barcode. The barcode scanner, barcode reader read that code. In this code all the information about the product is stored. Now move to the next category of hardware, that are output devices. The most output device is monitor or visual display unit, VDU. that displays the output in the form of soft copy. It displays the output on the computer screen. And the second one is printer. Printer is an output device that prints the text or shapes into a paper. That copy is called hard copy. The printer are of two types: impact printer, non-impact printer. Impact printer, those printers in which there is a interaction between a print head and paper. That printer are called impact printer. Daisy wheel printer, line printer, line printer. These are of the type of impact printer. And second one is not impact printer. The printers those in which there is no interconnection. There is no interconnection between print head and paper. Those printers are called non-impact printer. Inkjet printer and laser printer are the example of non-impact printer. Now move to the next category, that is processing device. CPU is the brain of computer. CPU is the brain of computer. It is also known as processor. It has three parts: ALU, CU and MU. ALU is arithmetic logic unit, CU is control unit, MU is memory unit. ALU performs the arithmetic and logical operation. CU controls the overall functioning of the arithmetic and memory unit, and the memory unit holds the data during program execution. Now move to the next category of hardware devices, that are storage devices. The storage devices are used to store data either permanently or temporary. The storage devices is categorized into two categories. First one is primary devices or main memory. Second is secondary devices or auxiliary memory. First one, primary devices are also categorized into two categories. First one is RAM, second one is ROM. The devices that RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read only memory. RAM contains the data RAM contains those data which process is executed on processor. RAM is volatile. It means that its data erase when power off. And second one is ROM, read only memory. Read only memory. The data in that memory is only readable. We cannot change its data. And it is non-volatile, means the data in that devices is saved. That devices is safe either there is power loss. Okay. Now the ROM are of three types: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. Programmable read only memory, erasable programmable read only memory, and third one is electrically erasable programmable read only memory. Now move to the second category, that is auxiliary memory. The auxiliary memory of two types. First one is magnetic based memory, second one is optical based memory. In the magnetic based memory there are memories like floppy disk, hard disk. These are categorized under magnetic memory, magnetic core memory. And second one is optical memory. The CD, DVD, pen drive, these are categorized under the optical memory. Now describe about hard disk. In the hard disk there are placed parallel cylinders. Each cylinder contains track sectors. The data is stored inside the sectors. Okay. The size of the memory, the size of the hard disk is in gigabyte or terabyte. According to our need, we use that hard disk. Now what is the difference between primary memory and secondary memory. First one is primary memory is faster than secondary memory. Second one is primary memory contains temporary data, whereas secondary memory contains permanent data. Third one is primary memory is costlier than secondary memory. Now move to the now in the next class we will discuss about software. Okay, thank you.